Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are getting into this bad baby right here. Okay, so I recently ordered a clip-in ponytail from Amazon, and I will insert the picture somewhere in the cards. And honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. Reason number one is because your girl ain't never inserted nobody's ponytail before. And the way I see it, I can't be spending a whole lot of money on something that I could possibly mess up. So, this bad baby only cost me $9.97. Now, here's the first thing. Who told me to order about 26 inches of hair when I normally don't wear that much of hair for a couple of different reasons? I'm going to need a neck brace after a while because this is all I keep doing the whole while. Just this right here. And that's why you can already see the way I was just flinging that thing and she's still there. she easy to install. So I'm gonna go ahead. I will insert a B-roll of me actually inserting and applying the hair. You can do it in different styles, and I do show you 3 different styles that you can do it in. And just to get you a glimpse of the length, you see how far she go? Right here over my booty. Okay, that's how far she go down. Now I'm going to let you know, I forgot to actually film me pulling it out of the actual pack because your girl was excited and I just had to go ahead and put it on. If you guys didn't know, I'm in a recovery stage right now for my hair. So I'm not putting a whole lot of heat on my hair, meaning that I will still blow dry it for a ponytail or something like that. Or when I do a braid out, I will sit up under the dryer. But as far as like flat ironing and things of that sort, I will not be flat ironing my hair again until September. So yes, we're going mostly heatless, and I will be, this last relaxer I just got about a week or 2 ago will be the last one I get. Well, I wanted to go until September, but I do have a wedding to be a part of in June, so it looks like I will only stretch it till June, and then from June to September. But I am in recovery mode right now. We did experience a little bit of damage in the last relaxer session, so we are in recovery mode, so you guys will be going through with me with that, but that's not what this video is about. Let's stick to the script. So if you have Amazon Prime, I did receive this ponytail in about 2 days. I believe I ordered it on a Sunday and I think I got it Monday or Tuesday, I don't know. It's really quick. So I got it really quick. It did feel really good when I got it out of the pack. So a couple of cons for me. It does tangle a whole lot. It, like, once you have to really detangle it. Like after you're like, it will get tangled and like ratchet looking just by applying it, especially if you are a beginner. It is beginner friendly, I will say that, but we're starting with the cons. Especially if you're a beginner and you really don't know what you're doing when you start, it will get ratchet. It will get real nappy real quick, and you'll be like, oh my god, I messed this whole entire thing up. So it is something that you're going to have to detangle before you put it on, and detangle when you take it off, just in hopes it won't be as tangly when you put it on tomorrow. Only downfall. So I will say definitely treat it like hair. So I did, to kind of help with some of the detangling. I did try using a wide tooth comb, which was probably, it worked to get some of the kinks out, but your best bet, I can't find the brush right now, is to use one of those kind of like a demi brush to actually get through it. And believe it or not, at first you're looking like I am about to mess this whole thing up, it's frizzy, but it actually brings it back to life. And I wish I had not been struggling like this all week. I've been wearing this for about, I've been wearing it since Monday or Tuesday, so about a week. I do take it off at night, and I just figured out on today that brushing it out works. I did spray it with some water, and I think I did have a little bit of Lotta Body mixed in that water, and it loved it. So yeah, only downfall. So also, once putting it on, I did also straighten it with heat. I did put up to 300 on it, and I did spray some heat protectant on the hair, and we're just fine with that. Just to get that sleek look, take it down it real slow, and keep it moving. Pretty much, I would consider this a protective style, simply because what you would do is do the foundation of your ponytail. And then pretty much you roll it into that little ball, or as we call it, me and my friends call it, I fight people. You know, y'all know when y'all was in high school, the main people that was ready to shoot the ones was the people with that small little ponytail. Anyway, moving on. So yeah. So pretty much once you actually seal and get your ponytail how you want it, if you don't have the intent to take it to different levels of a ponytail, so you're not trying to do a high ponytail one day, a side ponytail the next, and a middle ponytail the next. If you're committed to one type of ponytail for the whole entire week, then pretty much once you set it, you can once you take that ponytail off at night, secure it into the little bag it comes in, you can put a bonnet or a scarf on your head. And if you're not a wild sleeper, all all you have to do in the morning is maybe just kind of put a little gel on maybe the frizzy parts that may have happened from just taking the shirt, changing clothes and things of that sort, and refresh your baby hairs. Slap that on and you're ready to go in about 10. Depending on if you have to really detangle it really bad, you could really get this on and get in and out of the house in about 10 to 15 minutes. Less than 30 minutes. So it is quick. Like I said, just don't let it get extremely tangled. Just don't let it get extremely tangled. It does have a clip that kind of clips down into your hair. You take the one little piece, you wrap it around, and then I do secure it with bobby pins. I have worn it on a windy day. I have worn it when I had a coat on and I was in and out of stores and I was putting on my little side purse and things of that sort, and she has not come off. So praise, okay? Praise. I have even worn it when I had a doctor's appointment and I had to lay down. So she can handle it. And I actually end up matching this pretty good to my hair, even though my hair is dyed. I will tell you that it does come with that little pocket, and if you watch a video, you're under the impression that your hair is supposed to go through that. Y'all, I tried that and it didn't work, okay? Because my bun was rather thick. It wasn't going in there, but you don't have to put it in there for your hair to match. Just wrap it around in a ball and attach it. I love it. I am going to probably honestly get a more maybe not this type of hair, and maybe put a little bit more money into it and get one because I do have to attend a wedding, and her request is for us to have our hair out of our face. I probably will wear either like this or with a little swoop and have that ponytail and to be a little bit more slick, so to be a little bit more together, and wear it for that. I am going to get a body wave one. I'm thinking, because I think this is pretty playful. This middle ponytail can really go for playful slash sophisticated as well, and I really think that high ponytail can go for it. Like, I'm trying to tell you, however you do it and do your makeup and slay, it really can look like you really tried when it only took you 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm here for that. And you're not putting a whole lot of stress on your hair. I have taken it down a few times as far as taking the whole entire hair down, because I had stuck it down too far and my head was hurting, and all I did was just refresh it. I moisturized my hair underneath, so that you don't want to have a protective style and cause it to break off at the same time. So I think it's a plus for me. I think it did well for the amount that I paid for it. So I will link the link down below. Let me know if you guys try it, and I'm here for the ponytail gang, okay? Because listen, all this flat ironing is a no for me. Let's get some versatility, and I'm here for it. So I hope you guys, this was helpful for you guys. If you was thinking, can you order hair on Amazon? You can. This ain't the first one, because I did get some clippings from Amazon and wore it during my my wedding. So it's possible. Just go ahead and make sure that you get your hair type just right, and you good to go. Hope this was helpful. See you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.